I'm happy to talk to anybody, or if there's a free room available, I'm happy to give a talk there for any of you who want to come to see it. And I'm also going to be demoing the thing I was talking about, which was, I'm going to say 1 minute what it was so you have an idea at least. We are doing work with the U.S. Navy in the realm of simulations for purposes of training. Much of what we do there is exactly the same kinds of issues that are relevant to a lot of the stuff we've been talking about so far in terms of games for learning and education and assessment. We face exactly the same issues, just with a different audience and with different tasks. But the way we go about it is a methodology that we at CREST have been using for the last few years that we've been developing. And it's a methodology for doing automated assessments, for designing systems that can work with an existing game. Ideally, it's part of the design of the game, but oftentimes we have to plug into something that already exists. And it's a methodology for how we extract meaningful, relevant information about what a student is knowledgeable of or what their capabilities are. And we do this based strictly on things that we can directly observe. And then we use Bayesian inferencing to help us to take that raw observable information and generalize about what the student understands or knows or what's relevant in that domain. So what I would have talked about is how we go through this process and show how it can be generalized to other applications as well. So I'm going to see if it's possible for any of you who are interested for me to share that with you either later today or perhaps tomorrow in a breakout room. And again, we apologize for the schedule conflict, but I guess in the larger sense of the conference, we need to stay on track. So I'll be happy to speak with any of you guys individually if you're interested in learning more about that. Okay, thank you very much to our panel and for this great discussion.